You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy inside your way. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Hope you don't take my sunshine away.
All right, thank you, Anna, for that introduction. So, several of you guys have asked about how to take a YouTube video and put it into PowerPoint. And Jerry Cordell will tell you that last week I did not know how to do that. So, even though I don't know, Google does. So I just did some Google searches, did things like insert a video into PowerPoint. And I actually searched for PowerPoint 2007. That's the kind we use here at school. And did a little bit of research, took about half an hour, and figured it out. Wanted to find out the best way to do it, and thought I would share that with you guys. So I've actually figured out a two-step process. There's some other ways to do it, and I will link to a YouTube video that I already found that shows you another way, but I wanted to share this one with you. I didn't find a video for it, so I wanted to share it. All right, two-step process. Step one, you got to get the video from YouTube onto your computer, and then step two, you got to get the video from the computer into PowerPoint. Alright, so step one, to get that video from YouTube into your computer, first you're going to have to find the video you want on YouTube. So you go to YouTube, you enter in your search term to help you find the video you want, and you'll have to watch the video to find out which one's going to work best for your class. Once we found the right video that will work for our class, we're going to take the address, the URL, that's the part that's up here in the top, and we're going to select it, and we're going to copy it. So right click and click copy, and then we're going to go to this website called keepvid.com. keepvid.com. So let's see, keepvid, keepvid.com. And since we have copied that URL from the YouTube video, we're going to go ahead now and paste it. Right click and choose paste into the box at keepvid, and we're going to go ahead and click download. Okay, download button brings up this thing that says Java needs permission to run, and of course you have to decide if you think that's safe. I have found a couple websites that said it was safe to do that from Java, to run this Java program from keepvid, so I went ahead and clicked run this time. It takes just a minute here. Microsoft will give you a security warning. Make sure you really want to do that. Again, I think it's okay. That's up to you. Click run. It takes just a couple seconds, and then at that time you'll be able to choose what kind of format you want that video to be in. Alright, for a video, I like the MP4 format. If you just want the sound from that file, you might want to download the MP3 format. Again, I like to download the MP4 format, and you're going to save it. And when you're saving it, you got to think about where you want it to be so that you can find it again when it's on your computer. For things like this that I'm going to use, and then I really don't need to keep them anymore, I put them on my desktop, and I've actually already got that one saved, so I'm not going to do that again. But I make sure that I choose the right folder that I want to save it in, and I give it a name that'll help me find it again. Alright, and then step two, we've got the video on our computer. Now we want to get it into PowerPoint. Usually I like to have a video on a separate slide. You don't have to necessarily have it on a separate slide, but I usually think it's kind of nice. So I'm going to add a new slide, to my video, and then from there there's two ways I can get that video from my computer into PowerPoint. Either I could find this one that looks like a little roll of film, and that will let me insert a movie, and if I've typed anything, those choices go away. So if I want to have some text on this slide as well, that choice goes away. So I'm going to have to click the insert. The insert would work at the beginning as well, and I'm going to choose a movie, and let's see, which one was it? The Star Spangled Banner with lyrics. That's the one that I want. I'm going to click it and choose OK. And it'll take just a minute here, and it should insert that video, and it gives you the option to start it automatically whenever you get to that slide, or wait till you click on it. And for myself, usually I prefer to click on it before I start it, and then I can change the size here, and I can move it around like any other thing that I might want to do. Alright, let's see, anything else? Hope that helps. Thanks.